In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your site colors globally using site styles. To get started, open Site Styles by clicking the paintbrush icon. This is where you can control the overall visual style of your website, and it's the easiest place to make broad design updates without having to edit each section one by one. Once you're inside Site Styles, go ahead and select Colors. This area is specifically designed to help you manage your website's color system in a clean and organized way. Next, choose Edit Palette. Here, you'll have two simple options depending on how customized you want your design to be. If you want a fast, polished result, you can pick from one of the preset color palettes. These are already grouped to work well together, so they're a great option if you want something professional without spending too much time fine-tuning. If you already have established brand colors, you can enter up to 5 of your own colors instead. This is especially useful if you want your website to match your logo, brand identity, or marketing materials more closely. As you select or enter your palette, keep in mind that these colors will influence the overall feel of the site. A balanced palette helps maintain consistency and makes the website look more intentional. It's a good idea to choose colors that work well together and provide enough contrast so text and key elements remain easy to read. After your palette is set, move on to the color themes section. Here you can choose specific themes such as light 1 or dark 1. These themes automatically apply your selected palette in a structured way across the entire website. In other words, instead of manually changing the background, text, buttons, and accents in every section, the theme handles that for you using the colors from your palette. This is one of the most efficient parts of the process because it creates a uniform look across your site globally. It also helps prevent mismatched styling between sections, which can happen when colors are edited individually. If you want a cleaner, more cohesive design, this is the setting to pay close attention to. Once you've selected the theme that best matches the look you want, review how it appears across your pages. If needed, you can go back and adjust the palette or switch to a different theme until everything feels right. That's it. By using site styles, colors, edit palette, and color themes, you can quickly give your entire website a consistent, branded appearance with far